been super happy with how the Pro Angle sand has performed. All of the things that we were looking for to deliver that end product, I found it with Pro Angle. We're a very high-level golf club. We cater to the low single-digit handicappers, and it's a place where good games come to play. Conway Farms is located on the North Shore of Chicago. We're about 20 minutes north of the city, opened for play in August of 1991, originally constructed under Tom Fazio's guidance, and we've recently undergone a renovation. The construction consisted of a pretty wide array of things, originally starting as a bunker project. Essentially, all of the hazards and features are in new areas. We use Pro Angle sand in all of the new bunkers.
At a golf course like Conway Farms here, they have very demanding bunker faces, and they really needed a product like Pro Angle to work best for them. We're mining a nearly pure quartz mineral, which is exponentially harder than other minerals, and we process that into an angular sand where every single particle has an angle on it. The angularity of Pro Angle really creates unmatched infiltration rates. It really reduces fried egg lies, and it stays where it's put.
It specs out as good as any sand on the market as far as how it drains, how it compacts, angle of repose, how it hangs up on faces well. The aesthetics are incredible.
People view Pro Angle as something that's going to improve maintenance greatly, and it does. But actually, more importantly, it plays well for the golfers.
The level of time I spend worrying about what's going to happen to a bunker in a rain event has dramatically decreased. I'd like to say I sleep better, but that's not the case.
And it's right where they put it. And especially after rain events, Connor and his crew aren't out here putting faces back together because the sand stays where you put it.
I lived through the pain of having old bunkers that washed out and had to deal with how to repair those and make conditions play a certain way on a given day. Now it's day in and day out. There's a consistency there. Everything is working together, and it just makes for the experience out here to be as good as it can be every single day. One of the things that I think this project highlighted was just the value of the scale of this property, kind of the grand nature of the bunkers, and the bright white sand out there is really like, it's adding to that scale. That's been a huge impact for just what you see and feel out here. And that's a lot about what golf is the feelings you have just walking around the course. It's always been a good walk, and it's just become a great walk.